Today I'm going to do the install of the ANTSDR E200 onto the WSL Ubuntu 24.04. And so the first thing you need to do is you need to get the address of the Google Groups SDR glut users, and we paste that into the web browser and hit enter. And then you want to pick up the script to install SDR ANTSDR on WS Ubuntu, so we click on that and it downloads it, and we open it. Okay, so open with Notepad. Alright, so this is the script, and to do the install. And so let's close these other things. Right, and then here's the developers window, which of course does things you don't want it to do. And so the first thing you want to do is do the install on Ubuntu. So you copy that and paste it into the window. And so this is going out and getting Ubuntu 24.04. Says it's already installed, so that I don't want. I want to do a fresh install, so I'll delete it and register it. Now exit, of course. Unregister it to delete it, and now we'll go and grab it again. Alright, now it says it's already installed, but it isn't. So it's lying to you, so it's going out and downloading it again. And then I'll put in dir my favorite username, and password. Okay, and now we're in the Ubuntu 24.04, and let's go to the home directory, and now we'll VI run, go into VI, and then we'll just copy all the script from the file. And I pasted it into the editor here. Somehow it always deletes the first part of the first line. Pound. Okay. X. And now we'll bash -I -V run. And give the password again. And now we'll disconnect while this loads all these programs. Yeah, I'll go through a little bit of what here's the script file. Basically, it's doing an update and an upgrade, which is something that you always want to do on Ubuntu. And then you do these two installs on Unix tools and update alternates. Those are something that the WSL want you to do. And then here are the standard things. You go get cmake, package config, Jenny, and then the SS libraries and build essentials and SOAPy and OpenAL and Liquid and ALT and port audio and sound file, RT audio, GLIT-lib, SOAPy-DR, FFM, and then you go down here and you have to pick up an old version of Python, and then it unpacks and builds the old version of Python. You always got to remember to do this enable shared on it. And then it uses pip3 to grab some of the routines that it needs, and then it grabs boost and USB 2, and then here it goes out and gets my version of the ANTUD library, because the standard version has 9 or 10 errors in it. I've corrected them. And then you go down here and you do the build and the make on the library, and then config it, and then you delete. This is the UD modules, the one that gets default inserted created for the standard routines, and we're deleting this so that it'll use the modules that I've installed instead. And then you go down here and clone SOAPy HDR and do the install on it, and then you can come down here and get SDR glut and do the build SDR glut and build IQSDR. And so that's basically everything that's in the script. So we'll stop and okay, it's finished running the script now, and we'll see. The first thing you want to do is you want to do the ping on the E200. See if it's there. Okay, it's there and it's working. And then let's see if find devices can find it. Okay, find devices found it. Now let's see if SOAPy SDR utility can find it. That's the more important one. Okay, SOAPy SDR utility found it. So that means it should work okay here with SDR glut, IQSDR, QSDR.x, and the device string is driver equal UHD, comma, address DDR equals 192.168.1.10. Okay, your radio. Alright, and then we'll just set it to a sample rate of 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
The links that I will go to, distance in your eyes. Que pase el tiempo, I said it.
And so there you have it, the install of the ANTSDR E200 on the Ubuntu WSL. Alright, stop. Record.